We have just arrived at KOA Holiday Kissimmee, and we're going to check in. This is the store entrance. Hi. Okay, there's a lot here. Why limit it to an hour? The Grill Father. Oh, they have some nice t-shirts. They have everything that you need. We have arrived at our campsite, our cabin. It's right off of the road there, off of 192. So we have a little fire pit over here. Little birdie running. Here's the side of the building. A nice propane tank. Okay. Nice little porch deck. We are Happy Campers Plus. It's right by the office. Okay, when we first got here today, the cabin wasn't ready, so they were nice enough to come in and put our stuff in the refrigerator. Here's the main bedroom. Look at that. How pretty is that? Then we have the kitchen area. 5:15. They have between 5 and 6:30. They have a wine and cheese event, so we're going to be going with that. 2 burners, microwave, the fridge, everything you need. Okay, let's see what's under here. Paper towels, pots and pans, microwave. Oh, here's all of our food that they put in. And here's the bathroom. Nice shower. Oh, it comes with shampoo and conditioner. All kinds of towels. I brought a bunch because I didn't know how many was going to be there for us. So this is our house. Things to know about our KOA and deluxe cabin. It does come with Wi-Fi.
Go in the house.
Gracie Joe is going to play in the canine camp. Oh, there she goes.
Up, 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 up. Hey, up, watch the plane. Up, all the way, all the way.
Need a little bit more practice, I think. If you have a small dog, they have an area you can wash them. Some water grease. They have a little water area here for the dogs. Oh, Lisa. Gracie, look. Not interested?
Sit.
Good girl. When you do come out of the dog park, there is a lot of cabins lined up here.
These cabins would be a lot quieter than where we are.
Yeah. Here's a sign, beware of wildlife. Uh-oh. Okay, they have bike rentals over here. $10 an hour. The restrooms are over here. And this is funny. Uber and Lyft and taxi pick up and drop off. Here's another sign. The do's and don'ts of alligator safety. Right across here is the exercise room. It's open 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. They do have laundry, washer, $2 for 25 minutes, and dryer, $2 for 45 minutes. Big row of them. And they have soap, bleach, softeners. We are directly right across from the pool. Then they all have information what to do in the area. Okay. Here's the pool. And we have a deluxe cabin. Nice seating outside. Fire pit, we'll be using that tonight. And we're going to cook some chicken and steak on the grill. Let's go for a walk. Here's Glen and Gracie Joe. We're heading up to the pool right now to meet some friends. Look at the camper next to us. Here's a dance floor on the back. This location is right off of 192. So it's very easy to get to if you are going to the theme parks. They're very close. They do have tent sites, RV sites, And then the cabins. We have a deluxe cabin which has 2 bedrooms. One of the rooms has bunks and the other one has a queen bed. Then the simple cabins just have a bunk and a regular bed. In that you have to bring your own sheets, pillowcases, towels, everything. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. About 80 degrees. It's a little playground for the kids. Bouncy jump for the kids over here. Then if you are traveling with your dog, they have Camp Canine. Gracie! Hi, you gonna have your suppy?
Somebody keeps shining a light in my eye.
Hi, beautiful. I know. Oh, look at this big kid. Okay, we're gonna try this again with the fire. On with the light. On with the light.
Got to see any rocket launches down here?
I tried looking the other way because they had that one go off last Saturday night.
Yeah.